What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your own custom keyboard shortcuts in Davinci Resolve. All you gotta do is go up to Davinci Resolve here at the top left, come down to keyboard customization, and then it pops up all the actions you're able to do with the keyboard shortcuts. So blade edit mode, you hit B. When you're over here, if you hit B, it pulls up the blade tool without you having to go up here to click on it. But let's say you didn't want to hit B to do that. Let's say you wanted to do something different. So whatever you want to do, you can do. This is not right or wrong. This is what works for you. Let's say I wanted it to be Control/. So you would hit Control/ in that red. Let me go back, because I think I went too fast on that. You'd be here. You see where you hit the plus button, or you could delete this one. I'm just leaving it because it's fine. Just hit plus, and now this in the red, where the lit up red, where it's selected, you hit Control, and then I'm hitting /. And then you want to hit save to make sure that you keep that. And then that's how you know you're good. So now when I come back to my edit page, if I hit Control/, the blade tool pops up, just like it did when I hit B. So that's how I set my own keyboard shortcut. And let's say you were concerned about not wanting to mess up something that was here. I mean, it's easy to go and delete it, but let's just say you don't want to throw yourself off. You can click on the three dots here in the top right, save as new preset, and I'm just gonna say version V2 for version 2, hit OK. So now whatever changes you make will be in V2 instead of the previous one that you have. So then once you make your changes, you would come down and get rid of that, hit save. So now in V2, it's gonna be that way. But now when I go back to the other one, you see that the R pop back up. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. Leave a like if you liked the video, and be sure to subscribe for even more content like this. Until next time, peace.